Okay, this video is about futsal and what to do if our goalie has the ball. And we are the color red, and our goalie is in yellow, and the black magnet is the ball. Immediately, the right back and the left back get to the lower corners. The forwards should get at the top of the arc into that space. If the defenders, the blue, the other team, don't come forward, the goalie's options are to roll the ball here or to roll the ball there. As the ball is rolling to the side, there are two things that must occur. This forward must run up above, and this one must run here, and this back here must run into the middle. And that is as the ball is rolling. This should be a quick touch. This should be a quick pass forward, and then we go and attack. Let's go to the other side. If the ball rolls here, the closest one runs high, the next one runs low, and again we form our triangle, and this one runs into the middle. That again is as the ball is rolling. Bring this back. Goalie has the ball. We have the 1, we have the 2, we have that one. You can even set your 2 like this. It's a natural formation as well. Okay, either or, it doesn't matter. If they press high and they try to defend, like this, the solution to that is the goalie will run high and then roll the ball towards the corner that's got the most space by their judgment. And this player that's closest has to run and chase and try and win the ball. And if you'll notice, again though, we still have that same triangular shape going on. Just the thing is as that's going on, that player's going to run into that space, and this player's going to run here. And again, this defender should be running up underneath into the middle. So the motion doesn't change. It's all dependent on what the goalie decides. We'll bring it back again. Okay. Our goalie has the ball, rolls it out, and for whatever reason, the blue player gets the ball. Well, here's the thing. These two players that are the defenders have to immediately get back. And this player here has to immediately get back and get what's called compact. They need to get tight so the goal is protected. And one of the things that we didn't do the other day was get in front of the goal. We stood in these spaces. The ball would get turned over, and it was a one-on-one to goal. So, goalie gets ball. We take our box and we go, make those two go wide. And we read what the other team gives us. So if they're here, we roll it there. Another formation that it goes there, this player runs up, this player's there, and this one comes into the middle. There is an alternative to that, and they might run a 1-3-1. And if they do that, then the option is, depending on how much space is here, we can roll it back, but then immediately that touch has to be here, and we have to read, can we go give go, which would be running into that space, or do we take it and dribble into that space? But again, if you notice, we have our triangle, and then we have our 1. And as that player is penetrating, we still tuck over, we still move in. Bringing this back, You can, as the goalie, lob the ball, but it has to bounce before it hits that line. And when that lob occurs, turn and run. But when she lobs it, we've got to get ourselves back into that triangle and that one. And it always works on that triangle. That triangle is the key.